हॅलो सर केली आहे ना, जॉईन होत आहेत आता हळूहळू. बघा बघा, नाही चालू केली सर, इथे अमोल खाडे वगैरे जॉईन झालेत. हां
हेलो
हेलो एवरीबॉडी.
एक मिनिट.
ए थांब जरा. कुठलो?
जस्ट वेट फॉर 2 minutes सर, आय जॉइन.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
गुड आफ्टरनून. गुड आफ्टरनून. सगळ्यांचे व्हिडिओ चालू करा म्हणजे दिसतील कोण आलेले
येस
आहे.
येस.
So ready, Dr. Khade? Ready with everything? Good afternoon. Ready na? Yes. Thank you. मागे म्यूट करून ठेवा, ज्याचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे तिथे मागे आवाज येतो त्यांनी म्यूट करून ठेवा. दॅट इज बेटर.
जेवतोय असा पोरग बसली ताटासमोर.
जिने सर तुमचा आवाज येतोय इथे.
सर जेवण झालं की नाही आज?
हो नाही, आज काय झालं, आज मी कंटिन्युअस मीटिंगच चाललेल्या आहेत.
ओके.
अच्छा, there is one announcement for all, particularly host. Hello.
हा सर.
हा, डॉक्टर मिलिंद उमेकर यांचाच फोन होता आता, त्यांच्याशी बोलत होतो. तर ही इज नॉट अवेलेबल, आय मीन ही इज नॉट एबल टू जॉईन नाउ बिकॉज ही इज अपिअरिंग फॉर अ वाइस चान्सलर्स इंटरव्ह्यू. ओके, इट वॉज शेड्यूल्ड टुमॉरो, बट त्यांना आता हे आलं, मला मेसेज होता सकाळी त्यांचा, पण ते म्हटले तरी 3 वाजता एकदा कन्फर्म करतो मी. त्यांना मी फोन केला आता, ते म्हटले की मी माझं इंटरव्ह्यू आता अर्धा तासामध्ये आहे असं म्हणून, त्यामुळे सर काही जॉईन होणार नाहीये, मिलिंद उमेकर सर काही जॉईन होणार नाही आपल्याला. ठीक आहे.
ओके.
तसं मी माझ्या याच्यात बोलून घेईल एकदा, पण तरी त्यामुळे त्यांचं जे काय असेल ते तुम्ही स्किप केलं तरी चालेल.
ओके.
होस्ट कॅन अनाउन्स दिस दॅट ही इज बिझी इन द ऑफिशियल engagement which we got to know right now, and that's why he has I mean just wished us, or rather conveyed his wishes to us. ठीक आहे.
ओके.
मला वाटतं आय थिंक 66 people.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर. हा सर. सर परत पाठवतोय ते. ऍक्च्युली काय झालं, तेव्हा ओपन नाही झालेलं, ते ओपन केले नव्हते.
सरांना पाठवू का लिंक?
हा मी पाठवतो सर, लगेच पाठवतो सर.
Rakesh.
Yes sir, welcome sir. एक मिनिट हा सर, मला मी बघतोय. हा इथे व्ह्यू सर, हे जरा स्क्रीन हे करता का, डी शेअर करता का, त्यामुळे आपल्याला कळेल.
येस.
हा, कारण कोण किती जॉईन झाले कळत नाही इथे स्क्रीनवर, त्यामुळे इट्स बेटर टू डी शेअर द स्क्रीन ॲज ऑफ नाव. या चौधरी सर आलेले आहेत, मला वाटतं जॉईन झालेले आहेत. Yes sir, PD Chaudhary sir has joined us. Welcome sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your valuable time in joining us today sir.
My pleasure to join.
Thank you. Actually, I was just speaking to Dr. Umekar. He is into interview. You know that he is appearing for some interviews.
Yes.
Yeah, so it was scheduled tomorrow, but he got a call today morning by the university for and so the interview is scheduled today. So
Okay.
his number was something, and so he said, I am in the queue now. So he has expressed his inability to join this.
No, no problem. That work is more important.
Yes,
That if he's getting that opportunity to,
correct.
that is more important.
More
Yes.
important. So I have extended our wishes to him.
Yes. Excuse.
So
Yes.
yeah. He said that you invite me for some other program. I will certainly join for that.
No problem. No problem.
Yeah.
I was knowing that that his interview is on 26 or 7.
27th it was, sir. He told me other day, before I fixed him, he told 27th, but त्यांचा आज prepone झाला त्यांचा आज.
Okay. No problem. No.
So we will wait for I
Who
think
else is joining now?
no all joined, sir. All have joined. So I think Dr. Parag Gide has joined.
So sir, I am searching that only.
नाही ते सांगतील ना सर, सांगतील ना.
हा,
गिडे सर
सर,
आलात का तुम्ही, किंवा त्यांना फोन कर गिडे सरांना म्हणा.
फोन केला सर, त्यांनी लिंक मागितलेली, परत लिंक पाठवली त्यांना मी. 1-2 मिनिटात येतील, जॉईन करतील बोलले मला.
वी विल जस्ट वेट फॉर हिम.
ओके.
हाँ गिडे सर.
अबे आया है तो कभी से.
सर
आए सर
सर आप पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म पे चलो एनीवे. So Dr. Amol Khade, please start with your permission, sir. Chaudhary sir. Chaudhary sir, with your permission, we'll start now.
Yeah, start. Please start.
Dr. Khade, please.
Yes, sir.
बाकी लोक म्यूट करून घ्या, म्यूट करा प्लीज.
I request the participants please themselves to avoid the background noise.
ये करना है.
Amol sir, Nita madam, please unmute Dr. Amol Khade.
Yes, it's done, sir.
Yes.
चालू करा डॉक्टर खाडे.
Dear Prime viewers, we are beginning with our program, Digital Inauguration of first of its kind, Jnana Ganga, an e-repository of academic study material, compiled and published by APTI Mumbai region. On behalf of APTI Mumbai, I, Dr. Amol Khade, the host of this program, wish you a very good afternoon. I extend a very warm welcome to one and all. Dear participants, APTI Mumbai, one of the most vibrant APTI local units, it was established in the year 2017 and has been active since then. We cover all the pharmacy colleges starting from Palghar to Sawantwadi, which are affiliated to various universities like University of Mumbai, Batu Lonere, Institute of Chemical Technology, SNDT, and DY Patil University, as well as NMIMS University. As of now, we are conducting 3 activities under the ambit of APTI Mumbai, namely bi-monthly e-magazine Pharma Darpan, organizing seminars, webinars, and FDPs for faculties, and e-repository which we are going to inaugurate today, Jnana Ganga, containing academic study material. We have many other plans in future for welfare of faculty members. Through this program, I would like to take this opportunity to appeal each one of you to contribute generously for an initiative of APTI Mumbai region and join hands to make this unit more stronger. In the present situation, we all know that the whole world is suffering from COVID-19 pandemic situation, where resuming academics is a very big and challenging task. To accept this challenge and convert it into an opportunity, many faculties have started teaching online, and some of them have made their lectures available on public domain. However, students find it very difficult to browse all these lectures, and most of the time are not aware of such facilities. In view of this, few days back in our APTI Mumbai core committee meeting, especially Dr. Sandeep Jine, who is the generator behind this idea, has proposed about structuring an e-repository to benefit the students, and without a second thought, it was immediately accepted by our mentor, Dr. Rakesh Somani sir. We all worked together to give a constructive program for this and decided to inaugurate it on 25th September on the occasion of World Pharmacist Day. The name of this e-repository, Jnana Ganga, is inspired by the holy river Ganga. As we all know the importance of river Ganga in our Indian tradition, it is not just a river, but it is a symbol of faith, hope, culture, sanity, as well as livelihood for many people. It has brightened the future of many people across the country. We do expect that Jnana Ganga will also prove to be a source of knowledge created by our young and experienced pharmacy teachers to gain the knowledge in the field of pharmacy. I am very glad to inform you that in a very short period, we are coming up with this Jnana Ganga, and all these things are possible because of strong coordination amongst the all APTI college coordinators of Mumbai region and dedicated executive committee of this e-repository, and more importantly, the guidance of our great mentor, Dr. Rakesh Somani sir. I am very confident that with same kind of enthusiasm and under the visionary leadership of our mentor, Dr. Somani sir, we all APTI college coordinators will definitely come up with several activities on board in the interest of pharma fraternity. I am sure you all will continue to contribute and extend your support in such activities in near future too. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome the distinguished dignitaries on this auspicious occasion of inaugural function of Jnana Ganga. I welcome our chief guest of today's function, Dr. P.D. Chowdhury sir, President APTI Central, and our guest of honor, Dr. Milind Umekar sir, Vice President APTI Maharashtra State Branch, who has conveyed his best wishes due to his immediate and urgent meeting with the Vice Chancellor. He is unable to join at moment, but we hope he will be joining shortly. I also welcome Dr. Parag Gide sir, Principal Dr. L.H. Hiranandani College of Pharmacy, Mumbai, and Dr. Rakesh Somani, Joint Secretary APTI Maharashtra State Branch and Principal of Dr. D.Y. Patil School of Pharmacy, Navi Mumbai, Principals of respected colleges, APTI college coordinators, student council and faculty members of all pharmacy colleges. I once again wholeheartedly welcome you one and all. As per the Indian tradition, we shall begin the function by an invocation song. I request all the dignitaries and the participants to observe silence as I request Ms. Aishwarya Jaguste to render the invocation song. Over to Aishwarya.
Yes.
तू बुद्धि दे, तू प्रकाश दे, तू बुद्धि दे, तू प्रकाश दे, अब चेतना विश्वास दे, जे सत्य सुंदर सेवथा आजन्म त्याचा ध्यास दे, जे सत्य सुंदर सेवथा आजन्म त्याचा ध्यास दे, सापडे ना वाट जाना होत याचा सोबती, हरवले आभाळ ज्यांचे होत यांचा सोबती, करीते तुझे साधना त्यांना तुझा सहवास दे, जे सत्य सुंदर सेवथा आजन्म त्याचा ध्यास दे, जे सत्य सुंदर सेवथा आजन्म त्याचा ध्यास दे. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Aishwarya, for a very melodious and beautiful song. Hope it has spread a positive vibrations. After this auspicious beginning now, I request respected Dr. Rakesh Somani sir, Joint Secretary APTI Maharashtra State Branch, to welcome the gathering.
Yeah,
Sir, please take the charge.
thank you, Dr. Amol Khade. Very good afternoon to one and all present over here. It's my immense pleasure to welcome Honorable Dr. Praveen Chaudhary.
Yeah, sir, we are not getting your voice.
Hello, sir.
Somani, sir, you are disconnected, I think.
Sir disconnected kada. नहीं, sir is
Yes.
there, but sound is not. Yes, now
Yeah,
it
yeah.
is.
I got disconnected for
Yeah,
some,
Yeah, yeah.
some unknown reason, God knows.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I welcome Dr. Gide as well. Also, all the faculty members, APTI college coordinators, as well as the student council member, whom we have specially invited for today's program. Today's initiative of APTI Mumbai is to inaugurate the Jnana Ganga e-repository of academic material. As Dr. Khade has already mentioned the entire background, Sir Chaudhary sir and Dr. Gide, I would like to specially mention that this kind of local unit of APTI Mumbai was established in 2017 when I was given a chance to become the Joint Secretary of Maharashtra State Branch of APTI. And we started this activity since 2017, and we did lots of small seminars under the ambit of APTI in Mumbai region. Mumbai region includes right from Palghar to Savantwadi, and different colleges have, different universities have been mentioned. And there are more than 35 colleges, diploma, degree, postgraduate colleges are now associated with us.
I request all the participants to mute their.
Sushma, you just, yeah,
Okay.
sorry. So,
Yes.
am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this local Mumbai chapter of APTI we started, and in this pandemic we tried to take a lot of benefit out of this, and we first activity we did on 15th of August, where we started our Pharma Darpan, which is bi-monthly e-magazine, which was inaugurated by Dr. Raman Dang, who is the Secretary of APTI National. Then this event came, that is inauguration of this Jnana Ganga. We have started our YouTube channel, we have started our blog also, and our next project is to start our website of the APTI. My dear students, for student community whom this APTI is probably new for them, APTI stands for Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers in India, which is association of teaching community across the country, and it works for the welfare activities of the teachers. And for us, for teachers, students are always at the center, and this initiative of today's is precisely for the student community, and that's why we have invited you people to understand what your teachers are doing for you people in this pandemic situation. I appreciate the efforts put in by the entire core committee of APTI, and particularly Jnana Ganga team, which includes Dr. Sandeep Zine, Dr. Bhushan Rane, Dr. Amol Khade, Mr. Pradeep Chaskar, Mr. Nitin Kolle, Mr. Yogesh Chaudhary, and Mr. Sujit Nagre. This is a team, or the brain, which has initiated this activity, and you all teachers have generously contributed, given your lectures. Chaudhary sir, I would wish to inform you that this is unique activity where study materials are put on one platform, and now we are releasing it today for the students. So I hope that we would continue such kind of activities in future also, for the welfare of the teaching community as well as for welfare of the students, and ultimately we would like to achieve the welfare of the profession from that. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to talk here. Dr. Khade, over to you.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening the words. On this occasion, we also have with us an invitee, Dr. Parag Gide sir. Principal Dr. L.H. Hiranandani College of Pharmacy, Mumbai. I request sir to give his remarks for this inaugural function. Over to you, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Khade. It's an immense pleasure and a privilege to be a part of this unique activity. I am happy to see Dr. P.D. Chaudhary sir joining us. Unfortunately, Umekar sir is not here, but I am sure that he will join us soon. So I welcome Dr. P.D. Chaudhary on behalf of my dear friend Dr. Rakesh Somani. And I must congratulate the entire team who have put up this unique activity together. I have been following in the recent months the activities that are done by APTI Mumbai under Dr. Rakesh Somani, and I was immensely impressed by the venture of Pharma Darpan and also the graciousness that they showed in felicitating legends in our profession very recently. And even this new activity which they have taken, as a principal of a college, many of my colleagues will identify that there are such talented teachers in the college, and you feel that that type of talent and that teaching, the understanding should not be limited to 60, 70 students in that batch. In fact, I suppose the fundamental on which this activity has been undertaken draws parallels from the very popular shloka in Sanskrit, Vyaye Krute Vardhate Eva Nityam, Vidyadhana Sarvadhanam Pradhanam, which means that knowledge is something which only grows when you distribute. This very unique idea of pooling all the resources of teachers, pharmacy teachers, and putting them in a repository is absolutely amazing. I am confident that this has a potential to be a turning point in the way pharmacy education is viewed by students. I don't think there is any other specialization where this gracious, unique activity where selflessly people are contributing uh, their intellect and their pains that they have taken in putting together good knowledge material, learning material. I'm sure this venture will meet its due success, and I promise that if anything is needed from my college or from myself particularly, I will be really happy to contribute. Once again, I congratulate Dr. Rakesh Somani for taking up this idea, and all the best for all the future ventures that APTI Mumbai happens to take. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind and encouraging words. Now we are moving towards the inaugural ceremony, which we all are waiting for. I request dignitaries to formally announce the inauguration of Jnanaganga. I request today's function chief guest and other dignitaries present over here.
Chaudhary sir, yeah, you may please announce that the Jnanaganga is open up, and then we will show a screen over there. Yeah.
Thank you, Rakesh. I am very happy to announce that the inauguration of this today's Jnanaganga, the e-repository project of Mumbai APTI region, is officially inaugurated. Congratulations, Rakesh Somani and team.
Thank you,
Show the
sir.
screen. Yeah.
Just wait for a minute. I just share my screen. Yeah, is it visible?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Wait. So sorry for this inconvenience. Yeah, is it visible right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Chaudhary sir, for this remark.
Congratulations to team.
Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Over to Amol sir, please.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Dr. Bhushan Rane sir, APTI Executive Committee member, to brief about how this Jnanaganga can be accessed by our end users. Over to Bhushan sir.
Thank you, sir. Very warm good afternoon to respected Chaudhary sir, Somani sir, Gide sir, all the APTI coordinators of the Mumbai region. On behalf of Jnanaganga APTI Mumbai region, myself, Dr. Bhushan Rane, APTI college coordinator, and the member of Jnanaganga team, welcome you all in this digital platform. Under the kind guidance of Dr. Somani sir, our Mumbai APTI region started this digital e-repository activity, the name as Jnanaganga, specifically with an objective that for the development of students, their skills and their knowledge. As Dr. Khade, Dr. Somani sir already discussed the objective of this activity, and I am going to highlight how this Jnanaganga will be beneficial and accessible to the students. So our team members started this digital platform, and will be that particular activity that Jnanaganga is accessible to students with these 3 digital platforms. The first one is through YouTube channel, second one is that APTI Mumbai Blogspot, and third one is the PDF database. So first of all, I will share that YouTube channel. Wait a second.
I request all council members to note this. This is very important for you so that you can disseminate to your student colleagues there.
Neeta madam. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I am unable to share the screen right now.
Okay.
Hello?
Okay. Yes.
Neeta?
Yeah, wait. I will do.
Okay. Share that YouTube channel, sir, first.
Can you try right now, sir?
I am trying.
जर
yes.
शेअरिंग होत नसेल ना तर ओरली एक्सप्लेन करा आणि आपण
Okay.
ईमेल
So-
करूया त्यांना. डू दॅट वे.
Okay, sir. The first that digital platform which is accessible to students is our YouTube channel. Our Mumbai APTI region started our own YouTube channel, through which just in that share slide you can able to see that channel. In the description box, from first year D Pharm, first year, second year D Pharmacy, B Pharmacy first to final year, and M Pharmacy for first and second year. All the links are placed in the description box. So it is easy for the students to access all the ready-made notes and the learning material. Second digital platform through which the students can able to access this all the learning material is through that APTI Mumbai Blogspot is there. So I request Gina sir, please share that Blogspot. Through this Blogspot also, again, in that different tabs and the links are available for the students. So it is very easy for the students to access the year-wise and course-wise learning material. All the YouTube links are available, so they can easily access it through APTI Mumbai Blogspot. Zine sir, please share that screen.
Yes, sir. You can continue, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that third digital platform is through digital database, that is through PDF file. We will share that all the PDF files to the students by using different social media platforms, that is WhatsApp, Facebook, and many more, through which the students can able to access this link, that learning material, which is definitely beneficial for the students for their knowledge and the all. Now in this digital world, our APTI Mumbai started this activity only for the upliftment of the skills and the knowledge of the students. Thank you very much, all of you. Over to Prateep Chaskar sir.
Thank you, Bhushan sir, for providing the details. I hope all the students will make use of it. The major contributors in this e-repository of academic study material, Jnanaganga, are the faculty members of the various colleges who have taken a lot of efforts to record their lectures and make it available online. Now I request Mr. Prateep Chaskar sir, member of e-repository team, to acknowledge the contributors. Over to Prateep sir.
I think Dr. Zine, he has expressed his inability, it seems. I think he has informed you.
Okay, okay. So, are you getting my screen over here?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah, so whatever analytics we got over here, so faculty contributors are there. Now we have a Mr. Pritam Zuwatkar. He has shared total 105 sessions. Then we have a number of faculties from different colleges of Mumbai region. Maybe Pritam Zuwatkar, then Pilankar, Medha Khade, and number of faculties are there. Then this is a depiction of college contributors. So as we are observing over here, that Indira Institute of Pharmacy, Sadavali, Devruk, Ratnagiri has shared maximum contribution in our Jnanaganga repository. That is total 198. Then Konkan Jnanpith Rahul Dharkar College of Pharmacy shared a total 115 contributions. Then Panvel College is having sharing of 39. Then all colleges across Mumbai region have shared number of sessions over here in Jnanaganga. So we are really delighted of all these things. And this is just the initiation. So I can really appreciate contribution of all the colleges through APTI coordinators. And I'm sure, or maybe I'm confident, that this repository will increase day by day, and huge source of knowledge, or maybe in a public domain, will be available for our pharma students. Then moving towards, we have 3 categories over here based on their contribution. So we have a diamond contributor, gold contributor, and silver contributor. If any faculty contributes more than 100 lectures, so Mumbai APTI has announced to give as a honor diamond contributor to him or her. If more than 50 lectures are there, then gold contributor. And if more than 25 lectures are there, we are going towards about as a silver contributor. And if you see overall depiction, so I am really happy to announce name of Mr. Pritam Zuwatkar as a diamond contributor from Jnanpith Rahul Dharkar College of Pharmacy and Research Institute, Karjat. He has shared maximum lectures, that is 105 in number. So on behalf of APTI Mumbai, I really congratulate Pritam sir. Then in silver contributor category, we have Miss Shrutali Pilankar from Indira Institute of Pharmacy, Sadavali, Devruk, Ratnagiri. She has contributed total 45 lectures as of now. So on behalf of APTI Mumbai, I really congratulate her and expecting her contribution in near future as well. Then in silver contributor, we have Mrs. Medha Khade madam as well. She is from Indira Institute of Pharmacy, Sadavali, Devruk, Ratnagiri again. She has contributed total 39 lectures. Then we have Abu Sufyan Sheikh sir from AIKTC School of Pharmacy, New Panvel, Navi Mumbai. And he has contributed total 36 lectures as of now in Jnanaganga. So I really congratulate Sheikh sir as well. Then Nandakishore Nakhirkar, again from Indira Institute of Pharmacy, Devruk, Ratnagiri. He has contributed total 28 lectures. Then Sunil Bakliwal, he has contributed 28 lectures, and he is from DD Vispute College of Pharmacy and Research Center, New Panvel, Navi Mumbai. So I again congratulate him. So as of now, that's all the contribution I have presented over here. As by considering constraint of time, I have covered only few slides. In that we have tried to mention about our diamond, golden as well as silver contributor, and I'm expecting maximum contribution will come in near future, as we are moving this particular program or maybe publication of this Gnan Ganga every month, maybe of 15 of every month. So over to Amol sir now. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Zinesh sir, for taking the charge and informing all the contributors and acknowledging them. I would like to add this. We will be continuously updating, as you mentioned, this database, and we will be shortly coming with the second edition of this Gnan Ganga. So I appeal again all the contributors to contribute generously. Those who have not contributed, you can have an opportunity again in the second edition to contribute and benefit the students' fraternity. Now, moving ahead, it gives me an immense pleasure to introduce our today's chief guest, Dr. P.D. Chowdhury sir, who is President, APTI Central. He is very well-known personality and actually doesn't require any introduction. However, it's my duty to introduce him to all of you. He is a professor and principal at E Society's Modern College of Pharmacy, Pune. His research contributions include 156 publications consisting 26 review articles. He has authored 6 books, guided more than 65 MPharm students and 14 PhD scholars. He has fetched a grant of rupees 33.6 lakhs and has 4 patents to his credit. His cumulative impact factor indicates his contribution towards the research, that is 76.04 with H index of 24. Besides that, he has several awards to his credit. I'm going to mention only few of them due to the constraint. He has received Best Principal Award for the year 2017 and 18 under the category Professional Colleges by Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune. 2 times he received IGMA Award and Dr. R.L. Nikor Award for the Best Research Paper in the Pharmaceutics. He has also received Pharma HR Society's Principal of the Year Award in the year 2015 by Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, Maharashtra State Branch. He is also recipient of Millennium Inspiration Award 2014 for contribution in social and professional education by Millennium Star International School, Pune. Under his leadership, his institute got accreditation of NBA and NAC and securing ranking in NIRF ranking in the country. He has vast experience of more than 23 years of teaching experience. He has been appointed on various committees. To name few, he has served as a Dean Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Savitribai Phule, Pune University. He is a member of Peer Team, National Board of Accreditation, NBA, New Delhi. He is also a member of Indian Pharmaceutical Congress Association from 2016 to 2021. And there are many more. So, sir, please excuse me to skip this as we would like to spend more time to hear from you. So, with this very brief introduction, I present before you Dr. P.D. Chowdhury, sir, to share his views on this inaugural function. Please, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Amol. It's really a great pleasure to be a part of this inauguration function of Gnan Ganga, e-repository of academic study material, organized by Mumbai, APTI Mumbai local branch, local chapter. When I received a call from Dr. Somani, he gave me the information that what are the project of e-repository and what you people are doing. At the outset, I would like to congratulate Mumbai region that such a nice activity you all people are doing. First, Pharma Darpan. Second, that is the news bulletin. And second one is a e-repository of lectures, which is really useful.
Sir, I request you to please unmute.
Friends, you know all that APTI is providing an ideal forum to bring all pharmacy teachers, researchers, people, entrepreneurs, and the scholars of multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary sciences to deliberate, interact, to share and discuss the topic of current interest. I am very proud that the APTI has leapfrogged on several fronts like pharmacy education, research, profession, academic proliferation, women empowerment, and teachers' welfare in order to invigorate the pharmacy education and profession in a country at large. APTI is making continuous efforts to strengthen and revitalize and revamp the pharmacy education by updating and upgrading our pharmacy teachers. And that is the reason, even in a very pandemic difficult situation, we have almost conducted 30 webinars at national levels and 5 FDPs also at national levels. Coming to the point, this e-repository, the initiative taken by Mumbai, APTI Mumbai local chapter, Dr. Somani, all the principals, and all the honorable members of Mumbai local chapter, the APTI members, and my dear fellow colleagues who have taken this Herculean task. They have toiled tremendously, not only for the benefit of students, but for our pharmacy profession as well. This digital hosting involves design devices, and that requires much smaller space than the physical space needed for the archiving the books and e-material. This initiative, in my opinion, is in line with our Prime Minister motto, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. The government has consistently fostering an approach towards knowledge dissemination through various projects such as Shodha Ganga, E-Shodha Sindhu. However, these channels are either paid or need a subscription. So this novel approach, this concept of bringing all the teachers and students on a common e-platform will certainly boost a knowledge sharing, improvise the conceptual clarity, and develop interest among not only the learners but teachers as well. Moreover, this e-repository will help the student to overcome such a grave pandemic situation by bridging digital divide and move towards an information-rich society and fulfill the current Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan's goal. Friends, teaching and learning is now 24/7 process. Today, teacher is a multitasker. Along with the teaching, he has to balance the other portfolios of inspections and accreditations. A single teacher may not be able to develop such a repositories. Hence, the collaborative efforts will shape a database that can serve efficiently for decades. I am confident enough that in the coming few months, the repository will have a provision for posting comments, doubts, or suggestions in order to enhance the productivity and the quality of the e-content. After all, a teacher is a lifelong learner, and an ideal teacher is always open for discussion and clarification. Nowadays, this e-learning is a key area in our profession, wherein we need to stress upon. The corona pandemic has provided us an opportunity to showcase our talent in this sector. Various commercial e-learning platforms have explored education at school level, but any of these platforms fix their giant feet in a pharma education. We teachers need to seriously update and upgrade and swiftly act upon for the cause of our profession and the community. I take this opportunity to urge all my teachers to develop similar e-learning platforms or apps. Database collection of several MCQs type question and their answers with justification is what is the need of the hour. Through Google Forms or Kahoot or various game pedagogy and MCQ question can be framed to channelize the critical and analytical thinking of the learners. I'm confident that your today's knowledge investment will shape many Eklavyas of tomorrow who can strengthen our profession and nation in multiple dimensions. However, currently, Google, Wikipedia, YouTube are loaded with information, and most of it is misleading. Hence, quality check of e-content should be monitored and controlled in order to curb wrong, ambiguous, misleading, and contradictory contents. Furthermore, there exists a scope in building an app or database that primarily focuses upon competitive examination of pharma as well as non-pharma origin. In general, the prospective pharma students do not prefer to move out of pharma domain. Nevertheless, the digital platform will definitely expose newer facets of career for the young minds. APTI will wholeheartedly support such innovative activities and pedagogical initiatives. At last, I would like to recite the famous Sanskrit Subhashit, which my eminent friend Dr. Parag Gire, he already shared with us, that Vidya Dhanam Sarvadhanam Pradhanam, meaning is knowledge is the most valuable thing in our life. And I once again congratulate all the members involved in constructing this repository. My well wishes are with you all for the benefit and success of this initiative. At last, I would like to congratulate Dr. Somani that under his dynamic leadership, this kind of two initiatives, one is e-bulletin, Pharma Darpan, second one is humans. You people have done a wonderful job, and I'm sure that many more projects will come out from all of you, and because all we are working for our profession. I wish a great success to Jnana Ganga. Don't stop this work. This will be the biggest repository. This should be a biggest repository, e-repository for the pharma students. I wish a great success to all of you. And Dr. Rakesh, special congratulations to you and your team members who are really working hard for this kind of activities and coming out with the innovative ideas. Nowadays, out-of-box thinking is very important, and that you have with you. You have a great future in APTI. We want such a great leaders who will work for our profession. So, my dear friends, here I am ending my speech. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to interact with all the pharma fraternities present here and share my views on this occasion. But from bottom of my heart, I once again congratulate all of you. Keep it up, Mumbai region. Thank you so much for patience listening.
Thank you, sir. It was really a very amazing I mean, directions you have given us, and we will follow it. Yeah, Dr. Amol, please.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable remarks, compliments, and encouraging words. I express my sincere thanks and gratitude to our chief guest, Dr. P.D. Chaudhary, sir, for accepting our invitation and sparing his valuable time from his busy schedule. After this, I request if any student council members wish to share their opinion about this Jnana Ganga are welcome here. So I request we have some student representatives here from the various colleges.
Student, quickly, if anyone wish to say something about this initiative.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
Hello, sir. This is Yogesh Sharma, the GS of Oriental College of Pharmacy, Navi Mumbai. Sir, actually, first I was thinking the seminar, whichever the things you have conducted, actually a good plan, and the student gets a digital platform. Means nowadays, because of this pandemic, coronavirus attacks, the people are difficult to get their notes. But you have organized such a plan, you have organized such a platform so that the students get so much of information. So I really appreciate your all the efforts, and we are thank you so much.
Thank you, Yogesh. It will definitely boost our confidence as well as the teachers' confidence, and in a short span of time, we will again continue to contribute in the second edition also. I request if any other participants wish to speak. Yes, please.
Sir, please, can you send all the links that which previously one sir told me that there is one channel in YouTube.
Yes, we will be sending all the links, and I request Zine sir to post the links what we have in the chat box.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Rashmita Pujari from GS of CU Shah College of Pharmacy. It's a very good initiative, and we truly appreciate all the materials and all the notes which you will provide through this medium. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Rashmita. Thank you for your kind words.
Sir, even I would like to add few words. Khush Jain here, GS from Diva Patil School of Pharmacy. I would like to congratulate for this great initiative. Like it has made us aware about, from the fake data which you used to get, so that we will get the righteous PDFs and the notes for this study and all.
Thank you, Khush. Thank you for your kind words.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah, Dr. Khalid, take it ahead. We will.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yes, please. Mehreen.
Yeah, hi, I'm Hereen. I'm the CS of MET, Institute of Pharmacy. I would like to congratulate all. Thank you for this platform. Thank you so much.
Okay, Dr. Khalid, you please take it ahead now.
Yes. So, dear colleagues, I would like to take this opportunity to brief you about upcoming events under the ambit of APTI Mumbai. We are happy to announce that we are coming up with second edition of our e-magazine, Pharma Darpan, which will be released on 15th of October 2020. I request with this platform all the APTI college coordinators to channelize the news for the same on or before 2nd October 2020. So dear audience, now I express my wholehearted gratitude to all the dignitaries, principals of the different institutes, faculty members, APTI college coordinators, and the student council members of various colleges for gracing this occasion. Now I would like to call Mr. Nitin Kolle sir to take the charge and propose vote of thanks on behalf of APTI Mumbai region and conclude the session. Over to Nitin sir.
Mr. Nitin, your voice is not audible to us.
Hello.
आता येतोय आवाज. You can.
A very good afternoon, all of you. I'm Nitin Kolle, Assistant Professor from Gehlot Institute of Pharmacy and Executive Member of APTI Mumbai. It is now my pleasant duty to propose a vote of thanks. I, on behalf of Team APTI Mumbai, and on my own behalf, I extend my sincere gratitude to our chief guest, Professor P.D. Chaudhary Sir, President APTI Central, for sharing his valuable time to be with us this afternoon. Professor P.D. Chaudhary Sir is very well known to the audience. He has distinguished himself in the field of pharmaceutical education in the country. Thank you, sir, for being with us for today. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to Dr. Parag Gide sir for his presence in today's ceremony. I may like to express our sincere thanks to our team mentor, leader, Dr. Rakesh Somani sir, for their constant support. Further, we are grateful to all principals, professors, all college APTI coordinators, and my fellow teachers for attending and making this event a grand one. I am also very grateful to the student representatives of different colleges across Mumbai and Konkan region, the ultimate beneficiary for attending this digital inauguration. I may like to express our sincere thanks to IT team for their uninterrupted service to complete the digital inauguration successfully. The last but not least, a hearty thank you to the APTI Mumbai e-repository team who strive hard to make this event a grand event. Thank you so much. Have a good day. So here I conclude that
proposing the vote of thanks. With this, I'm signing off as host, and with the permission of our chief guest and Dr. Rakesh Somani sir, we conclude this session.
Thank you. Yeah, sir, thank you so much for attending, and let's bless us with the APTI's National APTI's initiative.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
Thank you, Dr. Gide sir, also.
Thank you for inviting me. Congratulations.
Gide sir, after a long time.
Sir. Yes. It's a real pleasure, sir, talking to you.
Mumbai, Pune is not so far, but we are not meeting.
We are not able, but I will come definitely to meet you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you all APTI team. Kudos to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations all team.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everybody.